Can Samsung Watch detect sleep apnea? If you're wondering whether your Samsung Watch can help you detect sleep apnea, you're about to get some very useful information. Let's break it down step by step. Sleep apnea is a condition where your airway partially or fully closes during sleep, causing you to stop breathing temporarily. This can lead to loud snoring, morning headaches, and excessive daytime sleepiness. If left untreated, it can even lead to more serious health issues like high blood pressure and heart problems. Now, let's talk about how the Samsung Watch can help. The Samsung Galaxy Watch, specifically the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Galaxy Watch 7, has a feature that can detect signs of moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. This feature was approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, which is a big deal because it means the feature has been tested for accuracy. Here's how it works. You wear the watch for 2 nights in a 10-day period, making sure you sleep for at least 4 hours each night. The watch uses its BioActive Sensor to track your blood oxygen levels throughout your sleep. If your oxygen levels drop due to partially or fully blocked breathing, the watch will detect these drops and estimate an apnea-hypopnea index, AHI. You can view the results on the Samsung Health Monitor app on your compatible phone. If the app indicates potential signs of sleep apnea, it's important to follow up with a healthcare provider for a definitive diagnosis and treatment. The watch itself is not a medical device and cannot replace professional medical advice. The feature is designed for adults over 22 who have not been previously diagnosed with sleep apnea. It's meant to help you detect signs early so you can start managing your sleep health better. Remember, if you receive an alert from your watch, it's crucial to consult a doctor. A sleep study is still the gold standard for diagnosing sleep apnea, so don't rely solely on the watch for a diagnosis. In summary, yes, the Samsung Watch can detect signs of sleep apnea, but it's just the first step. Always consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.